Hi guys, Steph here. Right, we've got for you another lovely pen. Another pen from my recent travels. You can see it comes in the original box like so. Can you tell what it is? Of course you can. What we've got for you is a lovely Cross fountain pen. Let's take the lid off for you. Okay, so there you go. Not only have we got a fountain pen, we've got a ballpoint pen as well. So it's a set. Now, if we lift this up here, you can see it comes in the instructions. It's got 2 cross cartridges there. They look a little bit, maybe, there's still ink in it, but they look a little bit sort of dried out. So it may need sort of new cartridges. Now, although it's got cartridges with it, I do believe this model will accept a cross converter as well. And it's the one which is an amber coloured converter, and it's a screw-in converter. So, a cartridge converter fountain pen. Let's take the fountain pen out. Let's take the ballpoint pen out. Let's pop the box to one side and let's have a look at what we've got here. Okay, so as I said, we've got a lovely ballpoint pen first of all. Now, the model of this particular set, the pen and the ballpoint, is the Cross ATX model. And both of them come in this absolutely, I actually love the colour, and it actually looks a lot better in sort of daylight, if you like, than it does, I believe, on this video. But it's a lovely translucent blue lacquered pen. Comes with chrome trim, as you can see there. So it's got a little bit of a chrome cone to the bottom, little bit of a chrome band to the bottom here. It's got the word Cross to the bottom of the cap there, as you can see, and it's got this lovely cross clip as well. Now, the ballpoint, if we turn it there, you can see is actually cap actuated. Okay, so on its own, a beautiful ballpoint pen. Let's pop it just to one side. Let's have a look at the fountain pen. Okay, once again, in this stunning translucent lacquered blue colour. Cross, as you can see, to the bottom of the cap there. Chrome band there to the bottom of the cap. And once again, it's got this lovely, yeah, it's a sort of stylish, sleek, integrated clip. Okay, very nice indeed. Quite a long clip as well. It's got the word Cross to the very top there. And although you people will know I'm more a vintage pen man, occasionally I do show you these modern ones because, yeah, well, basically that's all I can find when I'm out looking. But, you know, I still want to share them with you, to show them to you. But I do actually like this, not only the colour, but the sleek, the sort of sleek, tapered design, or the shape of the pen. You can see it sort of tapers down, sort of slimmer towards the end of the barrel, and that matches the cap there. So it's a lovely, yeah, a very nice, sleek designed pen. And once again, this gorgeous translucent blue colour, which, believe me, if you look at it in daylight, looks even nicer. Now, the size of the pen, it's quite a long pen. It's approximately 139 millimeters capped. Around the barrel there to the sort of thickest area, it's approximately 12.5 millimeters in diameter. And as we've just mentioned, obviously it sort of tapers down towards the end of the barrel. But a stunning, I think it's a lovely, lovely looking pen. And I've said it in the past, these Cross pens, although it's a metal pen, you know, it's a lovely weight. This one, as you can see, is a lovely design. And I think, well, I think the Cross pens are very, very much underrated. And I'm sure if more people sort of, you know, reached out and sort of tried these Cross pens, you know, they would be converted. And I'm sure, you know, that they would actually sort of get more in their collections. But very, very much underrated, in my opinion. Okay, so this lovely modern sleek fountain pen. Let's take the cap off, which is a friction fit cap. Let's show you the pen. Sort of numerous different angles. As I say, even though I'm a vintage pen man, I do like this pen. You can see the section is quite long there. You can see it's made of chrome itself again. And then if we take it up to the nib, it's got a lovely Cross medium nib in, oh yeah, I would say it's a steel nib, but very nice indeed. There's a sideways view. There's the feed underneath, a typical feed as you'd expect from a Cross pen. But all in all, a very nice nib indeed. And even though this is actually quite smooth, I think, again, it's all personal opinion, is still a very nice, comfortable pen to hold and to write with. So, as we've mentioned, in this translucent blue, it's got chrome plated trim on the pens, etc. The pen has never been inked. There's no cartridge, anything inside the pen. It's ready to take a cartridge, or as we mentioned a little bit earlier, to take a Cross converter, the ambered coloured screw-in converter. But what we'll do, it'd be interesting to see how the pen writes. I'm not going to fill it, obviously. I'm not going to put a brand new cartridge in it, because what we'll do, let's try and convert somebody and let's try and find a new home for the pen for somebody to enjoy. But just to the right, I've got my bottle of ink. Let's just give it a dip. So what we've got is a Cross fountain pen and ballpoint pen. Very nice indeed, in this sort of, in this lacquered blue colour, this translucent blue. You can see, I would say it's writing quite, yeah, with a medium line. It's writing very smoothly. There's no variation on the line. It's a medium nib, but a very nice writer indeed. It's writing lovely and smooth. Very nice indeed. Okay, so let's pop that to one side. Let's just give the nib a little bit of a wipe. We'll clean that once the video's done. And let's try and find a new home for the pen. Actually, one thing I've not shown you either. Let's bring on the the ballpoint. So if we turn that for you, so we've got a Cross ATX ballpoint pen with black ink. Okay, turn it again, and there we have it. So we've got the fountain pen, the ballpoint. It's got the ink inside there. But all in all, as I say, very, very much underrated Cross fountain pen. As we said, this is the ATX model in beautiful, beautiful translucent lacquered blue. So I'm sure somebody will enjoy this pen set for many, many years to come. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Down below, don't forget to leave a comment. Yep, don't forget to subscribe as well, and give the video a thumbs up if you will. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini from me and this beautiful set. Bye bye for now.